Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Drive and locating the folder you want to lock. You must be the owner or have editor rights, otherwise you cannot change sharing. Once found, click the folder and open the sharing settings. This is where control happens. Make a clear decision now. Do you need privacy by changing Drive permissions or stronger protection via client-side encryption before upload? The next steps assume you'll first tighten Drive permissions, then optionally add encryption for sensitive files. In the Share dialog, remove any users who shouldn't access the folder, and change remaining accounts to viewer or commenter to prevent edits. Click the gear icon and disable editors' ability to change permissions or add people. This preserves your access rules. Then change link access to restricted so only listed users can open files. And if you must block copying, uncheck download, print, and copy for viewers. Once done, your folder is effectively locked to unauthorized access within Drive. For higher security, encrypt files locally with a password or use a reputable client-side encryption tool before uploading. This ensures only someone with the passphrase can open contents. After changes, test the folder from another account or device to confirm restrictions and disable downloads work as expected. If something goes wrong, make sure you still own the folder, that it's not in a shared drive with different rules, and clear browser cache or sign out and back in. These steps usually resolve access inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.